You all right, partner? Yo. Yo, yo. You all right? Is he breathing?
Yeah.
Hey, partner. Partner. Damn, man. Nah. Bro. Bro. Yeah, if he's breathing, he'll need Narcan. Hey, bro, you good? Come out of it, man. You're laying on the sidewalk. Cops are coming. He breathing. Is this your buddy?
I know him. I know who he is.
Hey, bro.
Evan.
Evan. Hey, Evan.
No, Evan.
Almost sport for his face.
Hey, bro.
Evan.
Huh?
Look at his face. It's changing colors.
Bro. Bro.
Ed, wake up, buddy.
Come to, man. Hey, come on.
Ed, come on, buddy.
Fucking out, man. Don't let his head hit. Don't let his head hit the... Yeah, you want me to call somebody?
I mean, they're going to come to Narcan for no reason.
I don't Narcan people.
Yeah, you know, you're so stupid. So the cop. And the thing they can do is a punch you.
Well, I don't think it's to punish, man. Look, I spent 3/4 of my life out here homeless and on the streets. And they're just following protocol. But I know better, so I'm in recovery.
Right.
I don't like being Narcan myself. Well, keep an eye on him, man. He is breathing. Yeah, that can mess with the melatonin that's in these drugs now and have an adverse effect. Right, right.
Like, dump some water on him.
Trank's a bitch, ain't it? All right, guys.